For some time, there have been rumors about a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE. Recently, another model, potentially named the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, has surfaced. Ross Young, a reliable leaker, mentioned on X that the Z Fold 6 Slim might feature a larger screen than the standard Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and, as the name suggests, would be thinner. This model reportedly will not include a digitizer, the layer that supports stylus inputs, meaning it won't support the S Pen. This omission is how Samsung plans to achieve a slimmer design, according to Young. Interestingly, the price of the Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to be similar to that of the standard Z Fold 6. Young also notes that this slim model is likely to be released in early 2025 alongside the Samsung Galaxy S25. This timeline means it would launch well after the anticipated release of the standard Z Fold 6, which is expected in July along with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Young also speculates that the Z Fold 6 Slim might actually be the rumored Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, with its final name still unconfirmed. If it is the Ultra, a higher price than the base Z Fold 6 would be expected. Additionally, this is not the only mention of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Galaxy Club via Sammobile has reported evidence of both a Q6 Slim and a B6 Slim. Based on Samsung's typical naming conventions, the former is likely the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, and the latter could be the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will take design inspiration from competing bendable handsets, with a new alleged photo confirming this. Shared by reliable leaker Ice Universe, the image shows the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer screen, which is reported to be wider and sharper than the Fold 5s. The photo indicates a wider cover display, which according to one leak will increase from 57mm to over 60mm in width, aligning more with the OnePlus Open's design, which some consumers prefer for its usability. Ice Universe mentioned that the phone will feature symmetrical bezels, though it's difficult to determine if they will be slimmer from the photo. Previously leaked images suggest that Fold 6 will have sharper corners than Fold 5, but the current image only shows a portion of the screen, leaving the edges out of view. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.